Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. Students, let's start our today's session. Today, we will learn about the concept of big and small. Students, read the spelling of big. B-I-G, big. A&D and SMALL, small. Okay, big and small. Now see on this page. There are two items, candy and chocolate. Do you like candies?
No, ma'am.
No? Do you like chocolate?
Yes, ma'am.
Which chocolate?
Dairy milk.
Dairy milk. Okay, right. But do not eat too much candies or chocolate.
Okay, ma'am.
Students, tell me which thing is big, candy or chocolate?
Chocolate, ma'am.
Chocolate. Chocolate is big. Okay. What is the color of the cover of chocolate?
Red, ma'am.
Red. Tell me spelling of red.
R-E-D, red.
Okay. What is the color of candy's cover?
Purple, ma'am.
Purple. Spelling of purple?
P-U-R-P-L-E, purple.
Very good. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Students, see here. There are many bottles. Now tell me which bottle is biggest? Brown. Brown bottle is biggest. Spelling of brown?
B-R-O-W-N.
Brown. Good. Now, which bottle is smallest? Green. Very good. Green bottle is smallest. Can you tell me the spelling of green?
G-R-E-E-N, green.
Students, you can speak like this. Green, green.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See, there are many balls. Count the number of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balls. Which ball is biggest? What is the color of?
Brown, ma'am.
Not brown. You can say tan color. Tan, tan, light
ma'am.
brown color. We can say tan. Okay, which ball is smallest?
Green, ma'am. Light green.
Light green. Yes. Students, now we learn the concept of big and small. Okay, see here, there are two trees. This one is big and this one is small. Okay, now see, there are two bottles. Okay, which bottle is small? This one, and this one is big. Okay, good. students, see here, there are two chairs. Which chair is small? Green. Good.
Students, after doing this, keep your things on proper place and follow good habits like brush your teeth twice a day. Okay? Wash your hands before and after every meal. Students, wash your hands when you come back to your home after playing. Okay? Students, do not go outside, play inside, do your homework on time, and talk about the things with your family members you have learned in this session. Okay?
Okay,
Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.